Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. In our today's session, we are going to have a look at adjective demonstrative. Adjective demonstrative. So what are demonstrative adjectives? So whenever we have to demonstrate something, for example, this pen, that pen, these pens, those pens, in that case, we are going to use our demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjectives are used with a noun to point out a particular thing or person. For example, this car, that house, these pens, those women. Alright, perfect. So now in French, we have 4 types of demonstrative adjectives. And by now you must be knowing that in French we classify everything on the basis of gender and number. So over here also we are going to do the same thing. So whenever we are going to talk about anything that is masculine and singular, in that case we are going to use ce. Ce stilo, this pen or that pen. For saying this or that, both the things we are going to use the same demonstrative adjective ce. Ce stylo, ce garçon, ce livre. Alright? So now, whenever we are going to talk about something that is masculine and singular, but it is starting with either a vowel or a silent H, in that case we are going to use the demonstrative adjective CET. C-E-T. CET. Cet oiseau, that is this bird or that bird. Cet oiseau. Cet ami, this friend or that friend. Cet homme, this or that man. Alright, so the 3 of these are starting with a vowel O, A, and in case of H it is starting with a silent H, and thus we are going to use CET along with that. Now talking about feminine singular, in that case we are going to use CETTE. C-E-T-T-E. CETTE. Cette voiture, cette table, cette bouteille. All these 3 are feminine singular. Thus, we are going to use the demonstrative adjective CET along with these. Now, talking about the plural ones. In case of plural, it really doesn't matter if our noun is masculine in gender or if it is feminine in gender or if it is starting with a vowel or a silent H. In this case, we are just going to look at if it is plural or not. In case if it is plural, then we are going to use ces. Ces voitures, ces hommes, ces stylos. Très bien. I hope this concept is clear, and if it is, and if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!